Hello students, how are you all? Now today we will discuss about the another part of this division chapter. So till now we have learned about the long division without remainders and two digit numbers without remainders and even the 4-digit numbers without remainders. This is how we have done all these exercises. Okay students, I hope you all have understood what I have been trying to tell you. Like this, we have done all these exercises, and I have already given you these exercises for the homework. So till now we have done all these exercises. So now we will come to the part which is left when we will do the division work, and that will have the remainder in the last. So that is kind of a leftover digit. Like I'll tell you like this: how long division with remainders. It is not necessary that we will always get to 0 in the end. Sometimes we end up with a number smaller than the number we are dividing with. This leftover number is called remainder. So when we will divide a digit and in the last we don't get the 0 and we get a digit like 1, 2, 3, any number, that is called the remainder. So I'll show you how it is done. It is done like this. Okay students, like 29 divided by 2. So when we will divide it by 2, then we will get the remainder like this. 29 is there, so 2 ones are 2, and we will write it here like this. 2 is written here. Then how many times does it come? It comes 1 time, so we have written this 1 time here. And then when we'll be doing the next one, that is the 9 digit, we have done this 9 digit. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8. That means 8 is the lesser than 9. So we'll be writing down here 8 like this. And when we'll do the minus, what is the remainder? That is 1. So this is how we have to write it down. That is quotient, that is 14, and remainder is 1. Okay students, this is how we have done. So likewise, I'll show you some other questions like here, like 27 or 85 by 7. So we'll do with the 85 by 7. 7 doesn't in 7 table doesn't come the 8, so we'll go for the smaller digit, that is 7 itself. So 7 ones are 7, we have written here 7. So when we'll minus 8 by 7, so what we will get? 1. Okay students, 1 we will get. So next digit will come in the second step, that is 5. So 7 is 7, 7 2s are 14. Yes. So that means you will write down here 7 2s are 14. So when we will minus 14 by 15 by 14, so we will get 1. So this is what we have got. So quotient is 12 and remainder is 1. So now we'll go for the another one, that is here. We can see that is 9. So in the 9 table, does 87 come? No students, in 9 table 87 doesn't come. So we'll go for the lesser digit. So that is 81. How many times does it come? 9 times. So we have written it here. And when we'll minus 87 by 81, we'll get 6. So we have written this 6 over here. So this is how we'll get the question, that is 9 and the remainder is 6. So now after this we'll be doing some exercises. So let's see what are the exercises. So the first question is 73 divided by 2. So we'll be dividing 73 by 2. 73 here. So that is, so does 73 comes in the 2 table? No students. So we'll be dividing 1 by 1. So first digit is 7. So Does any digit which is smaller than 7 does come? Yes, students, that is 6. So we'll be writing 3. 3 2s are 6. So we'll be writing here like this. So we'll do the minus. So 7 minus 6, that is 1. And the second digit will come out as it is. That is 13. So does 13 comes in 2 table? No. But yes, the smaller digit does come. So that is 12. So how many times does it come? 6 times. 2 6 are 12. So we'll be writing here. So 3 minus 2, that is 13 minus 2, that is 1. So this is what we get. So we'll be writing here 36 and 1 will be our remainder. Okay, students, this is how we have to do the exercise. So I'll go for the another one question. So that is 4 divided by 63. So we'll write down 4 here and 63 here. Okay, students, so let's do the division. So does 6 comes in the 4 table? No. So does a smaller digit come? No. That is 4 itself is the smaller digit. So we'll be writing here 4 ones are 4. So when we'll do the minus, then 6 minus 4, that is 2. Okay. So the next digit we'll be writing here, that is 3. So does 23 comes? No. 23 doesn't come, but yes, the smaller digit does come, that is 20. So how many times? 4 5s are 20. So we'll be here writing here, and when we'll do the minus, that is 23 minus 23 minus by 23 minus 20, that is 3. Okay, so we'll be writing here 1 as quotient and 3 as remainder. Okay, students, so the next question we'll be doing is 89 by 7. So we'll be writing here like this, 7 and 89. Okay, so then 7 ones are 7, 7 minus, that is 1, and then we'll be writing here 19. So it becomes 19. So does 19 come? No, student, even 19 doesn't come. So we'll go for the smaller digit. So that is 7 is a 7, 7 2 is a 14. So we'll be writing here 2 and here 14. So when we'll do 19 minus 14, that is 5. Okay, students, so we'll be writing here like this. The quotient is 12 and the remainder is 5. Okay, students, this is how we will be doing all the exercises. So students, now we'll go for the another question. So that is 97 divided by 10. So here we will be writing here like this. So does in 10 table does 97 come? No, students, 97 doesn't come. So we'll be finding out the smaller digit, that is 90. That comes 9 times. We'll be writing here 90. And we'll do the minus, that is 7. 97 divided by 90, that comes 7. So the quotient is 9 and the remainder is 7. So we have to write it down like this. So this is how you have to do all the exercises. Okay, students. So this is